In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I set an automation for a form submission on GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable trigger that fires the moment someone submits your form. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and land on your dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the automation section. This is where all of your workflows live and where you'll create the logic that runs automatically in the background. Next, create a new workflow. When the options appear, choose Start from Scratch. Starting fresh gives you full control and keeps things simple, especially if you're setting this up for the first time. On the blank workflow canvas, add a new trigger. Think of a trigger as the starting gun for your automation. It's the event that tells GoHighLevel to begin running the workflow. In the trigger panel, use the search bar to quickly find the right event. Type form submitted. You should see a trigger option with that exact name. Select it. Now it's time to make sure this trigger is precise. Click Add filters so the workflow only starts when the right form is submitted. In the filter area, open the select drop-down and choose the specific form you want to watch. Picking an exact form is important. Without this filter, every form submission in your account could kick off the same workflow, which can create noise and confusion. If you use multiple versions of a form, double-check the title so you select the correct one. With the form chosen, review the filters section to ensure it reflects your selection. This is your safeguard against accidental triggers from the wrong form. When everything looks correct, save the trigger. Saving locks in the event and its filter so the workflow knows exactly when to start. At this point, your workflow has a solid foundation. It's listening for a specific form submission and is ready for whatever actions you add next, such as sending a confirmation message, notifying your team, or updating a pipeline. A quick tip for organization: give your workflow a clear name that includes the form's title so you can recognize it at a glance later. That's it. Your automation trigger for a form submission is set. Keeping your trigger tightly filtered ensures dependable behavior and cleaner reporting. If you ever duplicate forms or rename them, remember to revisit the filter to confirm it still points to the right form. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your workflow started the right way.